Tuesday, 30th of May, 2023. The debt deal, it's getting done, I think. So that's going to be the debt ceiling lifted. That's going to be, I think, the Democrats getting their 30 billion next year in the extension of debt. It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. I think they just need to cut the defense spending by a third, and everything will be fine. But that's never going to happen. So you're seeing equities pushing on here. Everything is lifting here. Nasdaq, SPOOs, Dow, gold, bonds, euro. Why is the euro lifting and the dollar coming down? Well, because the risk is coming out of the picture now, and the dollar is sending. Really, the dollar doesn't need to be bought as a risk asset right now, and so you're just seeing that pullback here from quite a good level we had here, 104 spot 51s, for the shorts, especially coming into the news cycle of they're getting that deal done. So you could have been on that trade at 8, half 8, and making a nice meal out of that really at the moment now. So I think we're going down to 103 spot 82s on the Dixie, and lower, a lot lower, especially if they, a lot lower. I think we're going to breach the 103 spot 82s and continue to push much lower on this thing on the Dixie. So that's going to be long on the euro. Nasdaq here, you just can't stop the rock. Look at this in terms of a breakout on the trend here. My word, look at that. So the 14,533s, a bit of a level there. We'll switch to a weekly here. I did put I'll have something coming out on the Nasdaq on TikTok as well, but just while that is uploading there, we'll just switch on to the S&P and look at a few levels there. Look, we're hitting into the 42s half, as I said we would. Bid here, nice little gap up there on trade when we reopened at 2300 hours GMT yesterday for electronic trade. Of course, the official market's closed because of Memorial Day, so there is a lot more buying to come in behind what we've already seen here, guys. There really is. So I don't even think we're going to get that much of a pullback. I think we're going to rip here. I think we could easily have like a 2 or 3% up day here on SPOOs. The next stop is going to be, well, you can see on this chart 42.84s. Just want to have a wee look here to see if there's more. No, there's nothing else of significance there. Maybe a little high here, 42.73s. But look, lock and load, 42.84 is 3/4 on the S&P. The Dow, not having a great day here, to be honest. So far, not as enthusiastic on the Dow. So that is interesting there. But I really think we could probably get on board with the buying, probably on 32,924s or 33,051s, because there is a correlation effect that if these equities start pushing on Nasdaq and SPOOs above these current highs, Dow is going to get pulled into the party, and we'll be over highs of yesterday really on the Dow. Oil is the dangerous one here, though, guys and girls. Oil is showing me a huge amount of weakness really here on oil. So I don't think we need to be here anymore. It just doesn't make sense that we're trading here at this point. And something really key to observe is that while we've been while we've been pulling back here, dollar has been just heading south big time. And so that's indicative that, well, we're selling off because of a fundamental, something happening within the oil industry, or people selling down on oil because of oil related information. Okay. But then, we're pulling back just on a weaker dollar. I think oil, we're going below 71s this week. The largest order is on the book at the moment. Actually, the largest order is at about 71.54s. Below that, 71s is quite stacked and ready to trade here, as it should be on any day. Really, a whole handle is going to attract more orders. But you can see here as well, the largest offer on the book is at 72.40. So, maybe the buyers will come in here, but really, I don't like it. I don't like it. I'm gonna sit in my hands today, maybe tomorrow on oil and equities actually. So I'll just get that oil chart back up here. All right. Yeah, that's it. All right. Please do join us in Discord if you want to get involved in our Alpha Edge technical look aheads, which are quite detailed information and quite detailed about where we do and don't want to trade on these equity specific markets or on oil, gold as well. We look at a few different markets. But yeah, do get in touch. All right. Have a good one. Cheers.